सबसे पहले I do want to say congratulations and let's ask you to tell us what we need to know about this show just before we all watch this trailer. Over to you.
You need to know that it started with Karan Johar having a nightmare. If he wakes up without his designer bags, big glasses and the jackets, what will happen? Jokes apart, I think it's a fish out of water trope, but the fish is different and the water is completely different. I think that much you need to know, and then we'll play the trailer whenever we see it.
Karan, Eris turns hustler, that's the vibe. I want to know what made you want to tell this story?
Firstly, I have to say thank you so much. Thank you, Nikhil, and thank you to the entire team of Prime for homing and housing our show, Call Me Bae. We produce a lot of content at Dharma and Dharmatic, but I think Somen, who heads it all, I think really knows and understands that I am truly, truly passionate about this particular show. And I'll tell you because I think it was an idea that, came out in some discussion we had, and then we created the narrative, and with the expertise of Ishita Moitra, who was the head writer of the series, with Rohit and Samina guiding her along the process. Everyone watches stories that are from rags to riches. This is from riches to rags. And in a tone of humor, in a tone of irony, and also, towards the end, a tone of empowerment. Depicted so beautifully by Ananya Pandey. I would go as far as saying that you have seen her in a lot of work and she has been growing from strength to strength, but this is by far her best work and will define her in the world of entertainment. And everyone is going to, and I'm saying this like, Danke ki chot pe. You're going to love Ananya Pandey. This show, marks our tremendous collaboration with Prime Video. We've had so many successful associations, even in the series space with Love Story, which was one of the most acclaimed series that happened prior to this, and now we come out with Call Me Bae. We've had a bunch of amazing movies that we've done together, and this is really yet another step in the absolute right direction. Fantastic. And I have to add, we have an absolutely terrific ensemble. I can see all of them in the front row. I mean, like literally all of them and Ananya together make the show what it is.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That honestly is the most fun trailer I've seen in the decade, if that's okay. Yeah, that's me, and I want to have fun. So, sabse pehle, I want to ask you a personal question, if that's okay, AP.
Sure.
Which is, when can I raid Bae's closet?
Never.
Thank you so much. But jokes aside, I want to ask you tell us everything about getting into the skin of the character and becoming Bae.
It was actually a lot of fun. It was actually my most fun character, but also my most challenging at the same time. It's the first time that I'm doing a long format series, and the advantage of that is that you get to go so into every character. With films, you only have a couple of scenes. You can't really, build up a backstory that much, but with a long format, you get to do that. And I really have Karan and Colin to thank for this one. They're the OG Baes for me. Everything that I've done in this show is thanks to them. And the whole team, the cast, I'm only reacting to everything they're doing. The crew, the dialogue, the way it's written. It was just so much fun. It was a lot of fun to do.
It looked like you were having a blast, and becoming Bae should have been so much fun. But I do want to ask you, in the trailer, there was something that you were doing. It looked like you were manifesting, right? It's like the Bae mantra. So yes. I think a lot of us can do with a little bit of Bae in our lives. So if you would please take me through that mantra, it would be amazing.
Okay. Let's do this one. Okay. मैं हूँ awesome.
मैं हूँ awesome.
मैं हूँ flawsome.
मैं हूँ flawsome.
I'm here to slay.
I'm here to slay.
Chalo, let's seize the day.
Chalo, let's seize the day. Okay, we're all going to do it together. Okay, are you ready?
I promise you'll feel better after it.
Komal, okay? I want you to do this with me. Okay,
सारे paps को सबसे loudly बोलना है ये, ठीक है?
Okay, हमारे बाद बोलिए. AP after you. We'll all repeat. Okay.
मैं हूँ awesome. मैं हूँ flawsome. I'm here to slay. Chalo, it's time to seize the day.
We're going to do this every morning. This is amazing.
It helps. It helps.
I feel better already. Thank you.